Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Sportage S Nightfall Edition. So this is the S all-wheel drive Nightfall Edition. So it's the premium package on top of it. It's going to come with different wheels, LED rear lights. These are the Nightfall Edition wheels, kind of like a black chrome. Really nice. These are your LED rear taillights, blacked out badging. So it's basically black on black on black on black on black. Everything's blacked out, and it does really look the part. No remote start on this one. At least not on this key. It might be on the other key. This one's powered by the standard 2.4 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. An optional 2.0 turbo does still exist. Take a look at that 2.4. Once I figure out how to open a thing. Oh, I'm stupid. Not bad at all. There's your air intake. And then you can just pull this open to access your air filter. But yeah, pretty cool. And there's still enough room for a turbo if you want to get the 2.0. And this is your hood prop right here. Nice sunroof, LED lighting. Pretty cool. I'm a huge fan of the Sportage, especially in the higher trim levels. Just gets nicer and nicer. Everything is soft touch material. No creaks or anything like that. This down here is a harder plastic just for durability reasons. But I think on the SX it might be soft touch. It might be, I'm not sure. Don't take me as the true fact on that. Backup camera. Do have paddles behind the wheel. Horn. But yeah, we'll go ahead, bump it into sport, and you have auto hold as well, so it will hold the brake for you at stoplights, which I might activate. But yeah, let's take it out on the road. Sportage is Kia's second smallest SUV, third if you count the Soul, because you got the Seltos, the Soul, which kind of counts, kind of doesn't, and then the Sportage. Above the Sportage is your Sorento and your Telluride. Alright, well there was that. That's the thing with one take. You never know what you're going to catch on camera. Brake pedal, it's very, very progressive. It's not very bitey on the initial press, but once you start applying more and more pressure, it builds up pressure very, very quickly. So it's not sensitive at first, but then it gets pretty sensitive as you bring the pedal down. There's not a lot of travel to reach full brake pressure. That's something, it's very reassuring when there's a lot of pressure behind the brake pedal, and not where you can press it all the way to the end. It's actually a pretty good feeling chassis. There's not a lot of body roll. There is a little bit, but that's just, this isn't a sports car. The SX has a lot less body roll. I think they upped the suspension with the 2-liter just to handle that a bit more power and performance. But no, this is really, really nice. I do like the platform. It's a fun to drive platform. Another big thing about this platform is you're sat pretty high up. My seat's all the way down, and I still have a very commanding view of the road. You kind of feel very high set up. Trying the paddles now. I believe this is the 6-speed automatic. Pretty good transmission. I do believe the Sportage is based on the same platform as the Optima, just because I know this powertrain's the exact same. Alrighty then. Overall, the Sportage, very, very fun to drive vehicle. The overall packaging of everything's great, very unique looks, stands out on the road, and especially this Midnight Edition, it really, really helps the looks of this Sportage. It's a really, really nice vehicle. if I was in the market for an SUV, I'd definitely consider this. It's a very, very good vehicle. And once you add the 2-liter into the mix, there's not a lot that I'd have over the Sportage in this pricing and segment. Which I don't think I ever said pricing, but it's on the sticker itself. $33,180. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.